studio. Guys, I've just been told by the bosses. It's the 9th of December, right? Chris is just around the corner.
My husband's birthday today! Woo!
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Do you want fried or baked?
I'm not sure. Which one do you reckon?
We'll just get. We'll get 3 empanadas de carne y queso, or beef and cheese. Yeah. Fried actually. Fried, yeah. Yeah. Just takeaway. Takeaway, thank you.
That's the beef with the cheese, yeah?
Yes, please. Maybe want something else?
I'm not sure.
Do a little.
So where are we, babe?
So we're at Bowler's, and it's in Fairfield, and it's where we usually get a lot of Latino spices and things.
Cakes and lots of sweets.
Yeah, sweets and alfajores and things. So yeah.
So you used to these growing up, pretty much.
Yeah, mum used to always come here and buy. So, yeah. And there's palmitos, my favorite. There's palmitos there. It's my favorite. I'm gonna come and get some, guys, before we leave. Yeah. And mate, we drink mate. Yeah. So.
Nice.
That is it. De leche is alfajores.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll try.
I'm gonna try one of them. Alright, we'll get one of them. You wanna try one of them?
Yep.
Okay, we'll get one of them. And
Are these like biscuits or something?
biscuits, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
These are nuts, they're coated in wacky nuts.
Oh, like in sugar?
Yeah.
Oh.
These are choquita. They're like little biscuits with chocolate.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, membrillo. Wow. Okay. That's nice on like toast and stuff as well.
Yeah. Had these cakes.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay. And you're open tomorrow?
Yeah, Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
4 o'clock.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Nice. That's nice. Flan. That's homemade. I'm assuming. Yeah. Oh, awesome. Yeah. House. Nice.
There you have it.
I used to come here as a little girl. I don't live here anymore. So guys, if you're looking to have some nice South American food, they do not just cakes and pastries and things, but they do like hot meals, like main dishes and stuff as well. So, or like, you know, burgers, which is lomitos and stuff, and they've got like churrasco and all those kind of like beautiful dishes that we grew up with, or I grew up with. So if you're interested in coming down to Fairfield, Paula, you know where to come. I will leave the link and the address down the bottom.
Okay, so that's the name of it, guys.
Is here in studio. Guys, I've just been told by the bosses. It's the 9th of December, right? Chris is just around the corner.
My husband's birthday today! Woo! Happy Yeah, people are climbing the bridge actually now.
Oh yeah. So that's a tour.
Yeah, that's a tour. I was actually going to do that for your birthday, babe. I wanted you to go up there, but anyways, we're a bit late for that one.
Yeah, the train.
Just fly a drone and you do the same thing.
Yeah, true. The trains, so you have trains on both sides as well?
Yeah, both
and
sides.
cars
Yeah,
over.
coming and going. So this is an entry of Luna Park down there. Hi guys!
Welcome back.
Welcome back to the island family.
Yeah, man.
So guys, we're here at the city and Luna Park.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna go for a little family day out with Bobo.
Yeah, man.
Island, say hi everyone. Hi. Say hi.
Just wake up. Yeah,
It's a bit
man.
cold, guys.
Yeah.
Once again, we did come a little bit more prepared this time. And yeah,
man.
come a little bit more prepared, so
Yeah, it's alright now.
good thing.
We're currently under the
Harbour Bridge.
Harbour Bridge.
Yeah, we'll get to show you in a minute
Yeah, man.
when we get down there. So yeah, guys, join us for a family day out today.
Yeah, man.
Watch Bobo on the rides. And yeah, let's go now.
Come out to enjoy the city, you know? So
Yeah.
let's see. Alright, stick around. Okay, so that's the bridge right there.
That's the
Pretty
Harbour
much.
Bridge, guys.
Yeah, pretty much under. It's beautiful.
It's also Babe's birthday, guys. So, yeah, and there's Bobo. Island! Hi! Yeah! Come on!
Love it? He's enjoying it, guys.
Hey, mister, over here. How was it? Did you have fun? Yeah? Okay, let's go somewhere else now. Daddy, how was that? You good? Island! Hi! Bobo! Bobo! Bye, Island! Woo!
Ooh, look, Island. We're going up. Oh my god, I'm so scared of heights. Boy, good thing say another fast ride. Ooh, look, Bobo, you ready? You like it? Look, look, look. Woo! Oh my god. Me done with that adrenaline thing. This is the easy one. Hi, Bubba. Look, 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 look. We're going around. Look, look, Mom. Look. Look, Mom. Wave.
Mommy's here.
Yeah. Look at the view. Look over there, Island. Wow. Beautiful. You was crying, guys. You wanted this ride so badly. I wonder how many times we're going around. Second spin this. Oh, we're going for a third spin. Wow. How amazing is that, Bobo? Oh, it stopped, Bobo. Are we stuck? Bobo? Are we stuck up here, Bobo? Oh no, we're stuck, Bobo. What are we gonna do? We can stop though. It's not moving. You gonna stay up here? Really? Yeah, so that's a Sydney Harbour Bridge, man, right beside the Sydney Harbour Bridge over there. It's pretty safe, guys. You can't get through these bars. It's pretty safe. Woo! Look, look. Ooh, it stopped again, Bobo. It stopped again, Bobo. This is why I love heights. Look at the boats. Look, boats. Wow. What do you see? Okay. What are you doing? What do you see? Ooh, it's moving again. Woo! We're going down, Bobo. We're going down.
Mommy.
Wow.
Fun, mommy.
Yeah.
Look. Mom.
Oh, yes, sit down there.
Mommy's corn.
Huh?
Mommy's corn. Mom.
So guys, we're here at Luna Park. It's super busy. Didn't think it was going to be this busy, but it's Friday anyway. Just hoping Babe and Arden have a good time there. I'm not getting on the rides. I didn't think that it was like, I thought it was just pay for the ride for each ride that you want. It turned out to be probably a little bit more dearer than what I had expected. But anyhow, it is what it is. And it's Babe's birthday anyway, so he's enjoying himself with Arden on the rides. So now they're going to get on this really big ride here. So and just behind that is the Harbour Bridge, guys. And there's a Santa Claus down there. So guys, while I'm sitting here, just watching Babe and Island have a good time, just thinking it's such a good day today. It's not too hot and it's quite nice weather, but also thinking like it's a blessing to be able to do things like this with your family. Yeah, it's really good. So always make the most of it when you're with family, and also you just never know, you know, what tomorrow may bring, and you know, just always enjoy and, you know, make the most of it. Yeah. That is it. Just trying to Island! Here, Papa!
What do you see? Okay. Island, look, Mom. Mom's down there, look.
Hello? Hello? Hi! Hello! Whoa! You have fun? You having fun? Fun? Yes, we're gonna go now. You have to wait. Everybody else is in front of you.
So guys, Island is being really fussy. Wants to go on his boom boom. Oh man. You wanna go boom boom or what? Yes, and that's what we're gonna do. Look at him, he's crying. He wants to go boom boom. Badly. Huh? He wants to go badly. Alright, Bubba, we're going now. We're next. We're next. Oh.
Here they come.
Look at Island Boy being unruly because he wants to hold the steering and he can't reach it, so he's just crying his head off. You don't want to sit back, guys. Ready? Here we go. Here we go, Bubba. Hey, boom, 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 boom. Look, Island, look. Island, look. Mama. Mama. It's alright, Boo.
Island! Hi! Papa, hi! Hi!
This is the waterfront here. It's a fun place.
Scary. Scary.
This boy went off his head, screaming down the whole place because he can't really hold the steering wheel. Oh my God, he loves Blum Blum too much.
Want to go boom boom up there? Look up there. Boom boom, boom 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 boom. Yeah, kuchi kuchi.
That's cute.
Island. 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 Island.
Big smile, Daddy.
That's so cute. Yeah. Beautiful. That's so cute.
Strike the harp and join the chorus. Follow me in every measure. Sing the joyous song together.
Ho, 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 who would it go? Ho, 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 who would it go? Up on the rooftop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney, click, click, click. Deck the halls with bells and you know what I love?
What do you like?
A big old music with all.
Right here guys, welcome to stage number 360 degrees.
Right, woohoo!
Just went to herself,
Yay!
Ready, Bubba? Yes, we're going. Ready, ready? Look at Mom. Wow, look down there, Bubba. What happened? Yes, dude. Hi, baby. Wow, but boy, look. When you get older, you can enjoy some of these rides, some of the bigger ones. It's a really family place, you know? Fun, take your family, your kids, everybody. Oh, what's wrong? We're going now. You just said you wanted to ride. Why now move so you don't like the vibes again? Yes, Mom's gonna help you. Look, we're going. Woo! Look, we're going now. Woo!
Mommy, help!
He's not liking it anymore, guys. Look at that island. What's that? What's that? Look. What's that? What is that? What's going on there, Bubba? Wow, look. Yeah, that's a big ride. Oh my God. You should have never seen that. He doesn't like the ride anymore, guys. He wants to come down. He's calling for Mom. Alright, Thailand, we're going now. We're going down. Alright.
I'll give you a spin, okay? Oh, now you're smiling.
Loving it. Yeah. So we are just on the ride, guys. You guys can see. He's loving this one. Look, Mom. Yeah. It is spinning. Look. Huh? Okay. Island. You wanna do the rides or not? Hmm? You want to do the rides or what? Just relax. Island. Ooh, we're ready now. We're going up. Woo! Look at we go. Island. Look, Mom. Mom. Woo! Look at his face! Look at his face! Look at his face! Look at his face! This how you love, eh? Them something you love. Look by you too. Hmm? Look by you too.
Island! Whoa! Whoa!
Are they my adrenaline here, love? Look at your face. You love that.
Go on, okay? Bye.
Let's go. Hold on, sir.
You guys are in green.
Yay! Go the green frog!
He loves the adrenaline. Nice ride.
Yay! Just a single scoop of chocolate.
Getting ice cream for Bobo now.
Cup. Which one do you want?